If I run draws, and GB draws or loses and Spain draws or loses, then Iran can still go through. Spain needs a win and Iran draws or loses and GB draws or loses or wins with a lower goal difference. The same for GB, but then with Spain drawing loses or winning with less goal difference, and Singapore needs a win and Iran loses and Spain loses or draws and GB loses or draws. We're lining up. We're ready and we're off! The Netherlands seems to be here in the pitch with only 6 players and Spain with 7. Ball for the Netherlands. We saw Dijkstra hand rolling. So for the Netherlands, number 1 Dijkstra, number 2 De Waal, number 3 Breed-Bruin, number 4 Van Duin, she's currently not here. Number 5 Van As, number 6 Van Hofslot, number 7 Van den Berg, also currently not on the pitch. Number 8 Van der Maas. And for Spain, 15 seconds on the shot clock. A long shot over, ball for Spain. Spain, number 1 Martinez, number 2 Leon, number 4 Tarbener, number 5 Romeo, number 7 Canas, number 8 Niento, number 9 Carmona. A shot from Spain over. And so from Spain, Spain is complete. So the chances for Spain to get into the semi-final are small, but the Netherlands have nothing to prove. They just need to be present here, and then they can go to the semi-finals. So they might want to save energy since they still have some games today, and trying to save their energy for the semi-finals. A shot, corner. The weather is even better than yesterday. Dry, no wind, but not as hot as the first days. Timeout given. The ref feels the ball. I didn't seem to be happy with that ball, and then it's now getting a new ball. Shot clock is still running. Oh, but it's gonna be a reset because it was a corner, it was a shot and goal. De Waal taking the corner. Spain increasing some pressure. Netherlands waiting for a good opportunity. Here trying on the left. A shot from Dijkstra. Ball still Dutch possession. Van Hofslot didn't realize that was going back to the goal, but now taking this time to sub. Now onto the pitch, Van der Maas. So currently playing on pitch 2 GB against Switzerland, and playing pitch 3 Iran versus Singapore. So especially the game from Iran is very important. If they win, Iran is to the semi-finals. But if they lose or draw, then a lot is happening and we need to get our calculators out. A nice shot into the zone, shot from Breed-Bruin. Ball for Spain. Hear some clapping from Spanish supporters. Happy if that's safe. The Netherlands is having 4 coaches now on the side. The Netherlands has been training with the under 21 a lot. And now the under 21 women and men are done. So now with too many coaches there, but the ref don't seem to mind. The Netherlands 1-3-1 defense, meaning a goalie, 3 defenders and 1 woman in the front. And the woman in the front can either chase the ball, but often for Dutch defense it's used to stop, to fill up the gaps. So now we can see Van der Maas struggling to stay in position, trying to go around, and then the front woman is immediately filling up the gap that she's leaving behind. The Netherlands in ball possession. We're already halfway into the first half. 0-0. Netherlands sending 2 women in. Van As and Van der Maas trying to make some space. And the rest of the team is trying to reach them, either use the space they are created or give them a pass because they're in the zone under the goal. But now a foul has been made, ball for Spain. Netherlands still putting pressure on Spain, giving the rest of the team time to return to the goal and to the defense. Netherlands in ball possession. De Waal picking up the ball. And we can pick, the mic is picking up some discussions of the players on the field. They're saying, I'll take your time. There's no rush. And there really is no rush for the Netherlands. They are already through to the semi-finals. So they've done a great job this tournament, not losing any games. A nice shot from De Waal, bouncing off the right corner of the goal. Ball for Spain. Pressure from the captain, Van As. Spain with the ball. Romeo. To Niento. Starting off on her own. Passing. A shot! Not touched by anything. Ball for the Netherlands. Nice pass into the zone. Shot on the goal from Van As, but blocked well by the Spanish defenders. Ball for Spain. Nice pass here from Spain. Past the Dutch defender. Oh, and blocked by the goalkeeper from the Netherlands, Van Hofslot. Corner. Coach Sietse van der Swan, those didn't seem to agree. But corner, ball for Spain. And we can start hearing the Spanish supporters. They always have nice songs to support their team. Makes me very happy to be commentator of a Spanish team. Only less than a minute left. So. And still 0-0. For the Netherlands not depending on this game. And Spain having a very small chance of getting into the semi-finals. But anything is possible. I will try to give you the results of the other games in the break. Ooh! A shot from Spain, but the goal is disallowed. A foul had been spotted by the ref just before. And ball for the Netherlands. So still 0-0. Game clock. The shot clock is now the game clock. 17 seconds left. One more attempt for the Netherlands. 10 seconds. Still passing around. Around 5, you should really work towards the shot. Oh! The ball bouncing off the kayak of Van der Maas. And time. So we're going into the break with 0-0. Be right back with you to try to give you an update on the other pitches. But please feel free to switch around. See what the rest of the games are doing. We'll be right back with you. So I just hear 2-1 for Singapore. So Singapore's in the lead. And on the other pitch, GB against Switzerland, 0-0. So there's a lot happening currently in the state. If Singapore wins, Iran loses. And Spain loses and draws. And GB loses and draws. That's the current state. Singapore could go to the semi-finals. That's very surprising. But it also means that we will keep continuing here, giving you the live commentary. But please feel free to switch around. Pitch 2, and I would recommend pitch 3 because there's a lot riding on that game and making this very exciting. I want to take this time to thank our main sponsors: International Canoe Federation, China Canoe Association, Huzhou City, Deqing County, Yupin Sports, Yukong Group, Latour Sports, and Kailas. I'll be right back with you. Okay, and we're back. Well, the Netherlands is ready. They lined up. Spain is still taking the time, but they officially have 1 minute. I'm now getting other information that Iran has 2 points and Singapore 1. That would mean that Iran is going to the semi-final. But unfortunately, I can't see the score, so please check online. Go to pitch 3. That's where that's important. But if you're a Dutch supporter, the Netherlands now has in-ball possession. And also, if you're just interested in the game, it's very exciting, tight, 0-0. So check out the other pitches, but please come back with us. Okay, so I just got confirmed. Iran has 2 points, Singapore 1. That means that Iran would go to the semifinals in this stage. A shot from number 1, Dijkstra from the Netherlands, hitting the top bar. Ball for Spain. Netherlands defense quite some room, quite far away from their goal. Now Dijkstra putting pressure on number 9 from Carmana from Spain. The Netherlands. Still quite some room in their defense, and they seem to struggle a little bit. This, Spain has 2 women in, but is it going to be enough? Only 15 seconds left on the shot clock. They want to make that pass into the zone. Now number 2 getting a lot of room. Drifting in, a foul. Reset of the shot clock, so they didn't need to take the shot. They did though. They are bouncing off the frame. Dijkstra going for the ball, not managing. Ball still for Spain. Carmana to Leon. Still circling around, 2 women in, doing a good job pushing the Netherlands out, making it very difficult for them. Now you see that number 5, Romano, had the Netherlands pushed out. And that doesn't only give a lot of space to her team, but in the moment that she sees a pass can come to her, she could pedal a little bit forward and being totally free in the zone. A shot from Carmana, corner for Spain. The Netherlands still struggling with their defense. Now, good help from Breedbruin, pushing the number 5 from Spain, Romeo, away. She was in position of taking a shot. Corner for Spain. Dijkstra putting pressure on the ball. A safe pass from Spain. "30 seconds left on the shot clock. Now Spain on the left side. Good attempt. Yes, goal from number 2, Leon, for Spain. 1 for Spain, 0 for the Netherlands. And here the replay. Tapped by goalkeeper Van der Maas, but she didn't manage to keep the ball out. It bounced in. A goal from Spain. But for Spain it depends on the other pitches if they can make it into the semi-final. Spain needs a win, and Iran needs to draw losses, and GB needs to draw losses with a lower goal difference. So check out the other pitches, but come right back with us. Van der Maas having some space on the right side. A nice pass into the zone. Another pass into the zone. Wow! Goal from Breedbruin. But good teamwork from the Netherlands. A lot of players had a shot on their own. But pitch 2-2 for Iran. Okay, so I just got notified that in this moment, apparently Iran and Singapore are tied 2-2. So this means in these current conditions that Spain has a chance if they would win. So maybe they, I'm not sure if the information is reaching them. Depending though on what's happening on the pitch too, I can't see that. I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna check for you. So all the pitches are tight. Pitch 3, if I'm accurate, 2-2. Pitch 2, 0-0. Pitch 1, 1-1. So if Spain now needs to work hard, because if they work now in these conditions, then they can. If they score now, then they will be currently in the semi-finals, depending on how the other pitches are continuing. I'm not sure if Spain is aware of the news themselves, but this increases the pressure a little bit here. Although I hear some shouting on the other side, so it might that the results have changed. Netherlands attacking, 15 seconds left on the clock. For them, it doesn't matter. They're already through. This is just a good warm-up for the semi-finals later today. Pass in the zone, a shot, meaning a new 60 seconds. You could say, oh, why is the Netherlands even putting energy in if they're already through? But it's good to have a game of practice first before the semi-final. At least in my experience from the Netherlands, the first game is not always the best. So it's good to get it out of your system and be ready for this afternoon. So please do watch the semi-finals. Netherlands already placed. A ball, long shot to Van Hofslot, taking the ball out again. 30 seconds for the attack on the shot clock. Intercepted or tapped by Spain. Ball still for the Netherlands. A shot. Timeout. A penalty. Maybe you can see the replay. Unfortunately, it seemed like Van Hofslot, number 6, took the penalty and was hit. She's now subbing off. Oh no, she's going to the goal. That makes sense. She's the goalkeeper, and for the penalty taking by Linda van As. And meaning also a green card for Spain. So Spain with 4. Oh, blocked by Spanish goalkeeper. Timeout, timeout. A card. So Spain already has a card, and now a card from another card from Spain. But I don't know what happened. I'm so sorry. I missed this. So Spain now with 3 players. Oh, the Netherlands not making the shot. But very bad position for Spain. 3 against 5, that's a huge difference. And the Netherlands, for them it doesn't matter, but for Spain it does matter. So yeah, this really makes their position more difficult. Netherlands 4 out on 3 players. So 2 green cards given very close to each other. 130 and 135 on the remaining time left for those cards. But in theory, the Netherlands should be able to score before that time is over. But Spain is doing a good job now, holding the ball with just 3 players. Only 18 seconds left on the shot clock. And 5 seconds left on the shot clock. A little bit of fumbling. Ooh, a foul by the Netherlands. That's an expensive foul because there's only 5 seconds left on the shot clock. So if they had just have waited a little bit, the ball would have been for the Netherlands. But now by making a foul, new 60 seconds for Spain. And Spain is doing a good job with only 3 players against 4 actively, but like a 5th on the goal. They're doing amazing with keeping the ball and not giving any opportunity for the Netherlands to score. I'm now getting results from pitch 1. It's 3-2 for Iran, meaning that currently, it doesn't matter what Spain does, Iran is going to the semifinals. But it doesn't matter because we can still appreciate what Spain does here, doing an amazing job with keeping the ball for so long. They now lost it to the Netherlands, but 2-1. First Spanish player is coming into the pitch again, and now another one joining. And still the Netherlands. So even though Spain was down with 3 people, the Netherlands didn't manage to score. That's good work from Spain, and some points for improvement for the Netherlands. 15 seconds left in this match. 10 seconds. Spain wants to go for one more shot. 5 seconds. They need to take action now. Will the ball leave her hand in time? Doesn't matter. Blocked by Van Hofslot. Ending this game with 1-1. Iran win. 1, so it doesn't matter. Iran is to the semi-final together with the Netherlands. Thank you for watching this game. Very exciting, but more excitement coming up because next on this pitch in the women's category, Germany against New Zealand, and there it's also very tight. I'll be right back with you. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh.